So if anybody hasn't accessed the Magic School class yet, you have to do a couple of steps firsthand. If you've already accessed it on Thursday for the Orange group, you only need to go to Clever and Magic School. If you haven't accessed this class before because you didn't do it for some reason, or if you were absent, you have to open up Clever and you are going to click on Magic School. When you click on Magic School, you are going to have that tab open. Then you are going to go to our class and you are going to go to AI unit, and then you're going to click on that. If this is 8th period watching this, it says 8B. Actually, no, it'll say 8O for orange. So let me make it real applicable to 7th period. So boom, 7th period, you'll click on that. If you've already done this, you don't have to do it again. So everybody in this room right now, you don't have to do that step. When you click on Magic School, my course will show up. Okay, so I need undivided attention. So close your computers, please. Thank you. Okay, so after you've accessed it, if you haven't done it yet, you're gonna have to do an agreement saying, I'm gonna use AI, I'm gonna use it correctly. All class today is going to be just playing with these 6 tools, AI tools, that I chose out of a bunch of other ones that you can apply to this class, but more importantly, you can apply it to other courses as well. One of them is multiple explanations. This can be used for any class. Generate clear explanations of concepts that you're learning in order to get a better understanding. So if you're having trouble with a concept in language arts, if you're having a concept in social studies, or especially math, it can give you different explanations, because maybe the way the book explains it, or possibly it was explained in class, you might want just a different perspective on how to explain it. You can use this for whatever class. You don't have to use it for mine. I just unlocked this class's group, and I locked it at the end of class last time, but from here on out, it'll be unlocked. You can access these for the rest of the semester. There's an idea generator, coming up with ideas on any topic. So once again, you can apply it to anywhere. 5 questions, I just added this one, but get AI to ask 5 questions to push your creativity and deepen your thinking on a topic. That can apply to anything. The image generator, this one here had some issues with cookies. Did anybody in here have issues with cookies? You couldn't generate images last time? In this class, did we get to do images? Okay, if you have issues with this image generator, you can just go around it by doing the exact same thing and just clicking on the Adobe Express link on Clever. It's the same thing and it doesn't have the cookies issue. I've tried to solve it. I don't know what's going on with it. Tongue twisters, I added that in there. Create challenging tongue twisters to say out loud. We have Leonardo da Vinci that you can chat with. It is a chat with a famous artist and designer. It is a chat bot from the perspective of the famous designer, architect, and artist. So if you have a question about the elements of design from this class or any topics that we're doing, it'll respond as if it were Leonardo da Vinci. But you can also ask it any question that a bot might be able to respond to. Song generator, write a custom song about any topic to the tune of a song of your choice. Now, it doesn't have music, but it will give you lyrics that will go along with the same cadence and melody of the instrumental of it. This class in front of me, before I started recording, we set one up already. So the topic is Mr. Smith's Graphic Design 2 course. The details to include were elements of design, a chill class, graphic design 1 prerequisite, wrapping mouses properly, and borrowing chargers. The artist name and song title, we tried to think of one that many people would be familiar, whether you're into pop music or not. I'm sure you've heard this in a store, in the car, when someone else is choosing the music, or maybe you like it yourself. So what it'll do is be generate, and what it'll do is it'll think for a moment, and then it will give you, I'm not gonna sing, it'll give you alternate lyrics that follow along with the song if you wanted to read it. So instead of a millionaire, it's a designer. So freaking bad. Learn all the elements that make graphics rad. You know, rad, because Gen Z and Gen Alpha love the term rad. I think my generation kind of killed that. It was more a Gen X thing. But so you could have that. Now, I tested out to see if there was a song that this school-based AI would not do. So I did an Eminem song. I did Houdini, and I was like, let's see if it says, no, you can't do that song because the song is definitely not cool for school. And it actually did. write alternate lyrics to that most recent hit that Eminem had. So it will do songs. Actually, last period, someone had issues with a Slipknot song. It said it wouldn't do that. So apparently Slipknot's worse than Eminem's lyrics, but whatever. So that's one of the tools that you have as well. And the last one, Joke Creator. They are kind of lame-ish, but there were ones that created a couple of huffs or a little or whatever. Then there's also Prompt Assistant. Prompt Assistant is input your prompt to have it improved and get feedback to improve your prompting skills. So this is a way that you can improve your prompt for AI. So you're using AI for prompting to improve your prompting. Yes. Yes. Exactly. So the student asked, so you're using prompting AI to have your prompting with AI? Yes. So it is, because a lot of you might not realize how to better create better images, create better questions, because if you don't know what you don't know, how could you find out the answers? That prompting assistant will help you know what you don't know and improve upon it. So the whole class today, from the point that I stopped this recording, we are just going to be playing with those 6 or 7 tools. I want you to try to get to all of them, and then if there's something that you do want to continue playing with, you can go back to, but I do want you to try them out a little bit. Keep your searches school safe. I got a couple of notifications because someone was trying to write a diss track about somebody sitting next to them, and even though they were friends, right? Even though they were friends, Magic School is like, yo, they're trying to be mean, and as far as someone who doesn't know that you guys are friends, of course it's going to have an issue with that because it doesn't know your relationships. Are there any questions? So we have the rest of the time today. You do not necessarily need a mouse, but you're welcome to use one. And yeah, that's it. Take care, have fun, and thanks to the sub who's in there, and thanks to, let's see here, Brooklyn and Adrian and Brooklyn and Journey for connecting your computer to the Promethean board. Bye.